Hi, it's Lee from ColouringQueen.net, and today I want to show you the one and only Elephant Parade postcard colouring book. And there's 30 postcards in there. And if you've been around me for a while, you'll know that I love postcards because I like pictures that are a little bit smaller, not because the illustration is fiddlier, I don't like that, but I do like a smaller picture so I don't feel so overwhelmed with trying to complete something. So my personality is I like to complete things, and I don't really get into pictures that take months to complete. It just doesn't suit my personality. So I do like things that I feel I can achieve, and postcards are one of them. And I also like the paper that they come on. So it's just always personal preference. Now these are larger size postcards. They're 22 centimetres long, and they are approximately 14.5 centimetres wide. Comes in this lovely bright cheerful cover, and folds out. And these have little perforated lines here. So funnily enough, the illustration goes right over here to the spine, but the perforation is actually here where my finger is pointing. So it's kind of weird. You would think that they would have finished the illustration at the printing line, but they've probably done that because different printing processes sometimes go out of the bleed area on the actual book, so it's probably just to cover different printing processings. So we've got a first illustration that's they look like locks of hair, but I really don't know what they are, but they're kind of cute. And it's a giant address size on the back with a coloured little elephant. And we now see that that illustration is called the Circle of Life. And over here we've got some beautiful floral imagery in what I would call a sort of naive style, and cute little birdies on there. And on the back, on this side that you can use to send, it's called a love story. Over here we've got lovely little scene. And on the back, that one's called The Amazing Lotus. Now, I'm not going to bother so much with the address side, it all looks the same. Over here, this is a gorgeous image. It's got the Sydney Opera House, where I live. Well, not in the Opera House, but in Sydney. The Eiffel Tower, we've got Big Ben, Statue of Liberty, that looks like Hong Kong. So we've got all the sort of landmarks of the world in the one image. And that's called Around the World. And this image is of some lovely butterflies, and the line work is really strong on those, so really easy to see. Now the paper is normal postcard paper. It's not hugely thick card, it's quite thin card. Got some lovely little leaves there, and that's called Beauty in the Park. Oh, and here we go, this one's making me hungry. We've got donuts. And that one is called Bon Bon. And this is like little piggy faces, very cute. And it's called Can You Find Me? And again we've got another portrait postcard of some lovely trees. I'm just going to flip through the rest and let you enjoy the video review of Elephants on Parade. Now you can see it's not really bound together that well, just in me flipping through it, one of the cards has already fallen out. So there we have it, Elephant Parade, the postcard colouring book. I hope you guys enjoyed the video review. As we can see from this book, it's sort of got something that appeals to everybody. There's some geometrics, there's some animals, there's some florals. So there's all types of little imagery there, all on lovely cardstock, and 30 postcards there to colour in. So until next time, happy colouring.